chili over cheddar jalapeno shortcakes. Here's what you'll need to make the chili part of this recipe. In a 2-quart or larger saucepan, brown the ground beef, breaking it up into small crumbles as it cooks. If necessary, drain any excess fat and liquid from the beef before adding the chili seasoning. Stir in the chili seasoning, followed by the fire roasted tomatoes. You can puree them if you like, or leave them chunky. It's entirely up to you. As well as a can of beans. You can use any kind you like, chili beans, kidney beans, black beans, whatever you want. About half a cup of tomato juice, and stir everything together and bring it to a simmer and let it simmer while you prepare the shortcakes. Here's what you'll need to make the shortcakes. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and salt, and give everything a good stir to combine. Next, add the chilled, diced butter and work the butter into the flour mixture using a pastry cutter, 2 knives, or your fingers. I prefer to work with my hands so I can really feel that I've gotten the texture exactly the way I want it. You want to work the butter in until the butter is evenly distributed and the largest pieces are no bigger than a pea. In a separate bowl, stir together the milk and egg yolk, the cheddar cheese, you can shred it, dice it, or just break it into crumbles, and some minced pickled jalapeno. Add the milk mixture to your butter flour mixture and stir just until it starts to come together in a mass. Turn it out onto a floured work surface and briefly knead it until it comes together as a cohesive mass. You want to pat the dough into a circle or a rectangle that is between 1 and 1 1/4 inch thick. Using a biscuit cutter or a drinking glass, cut the dough into 2 1/2 inch circles, making sure you cut each circle as close as possible to the other so that you have minimal scraps and leftover dough. You can press your scraps together to create an additional shortcake or two, but you want to work the dough as little as possible, otherwise you'll end up with a tough shortcake. I was able to get 10 shortcakes. Place the shortcakes on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake in a 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Split the biscuit with a fork and top with chili. You can also add any additional chili toppings you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.